Hello guys. My name is Peter, CEO at Sprytech. So today I want to teach us how we can protect ourselves from getting hacked or how we can be safe from hackers. Now, this is a disclaimer that this information is actually for educational purpose, not for you to actually harm someone. It's just for you to protect yourself from getting hacked. So this is actually I will first of all explain how we actually get connected to your internet and then get using your internet to send you a malware or something that actually give us your information or give us access to your personal devices. Now, for example, let me explain how internet work or how Wi-Fi work. Take for example, this is your Wi-Fi, this is your router or your Wi-Fi. Then there is a let's call this actually your DNS, and inside this your DNS we have WPA. We have WPA, we have WPA2, but let's make use of this WPA2. But this actually WPA is for how strong your security level is, how strong is your Wi-Fi security level is. We have WPA3, and those ones are actually hard to hack or actually hard to crack into. You understand? Then this is your phone or this is your device, your personal device. Now, this is your personal device. How does this work is that whenever you connect to your Wi-Fi, it make an handshake by asking you, your device, a person some request or some password or some information that lets this Wi-Fi trust your phone and give access to the internet. Now, this is actually how we get in. Whenever the handshake is happening, when your device is connected to the Wi-Fi, we make your Wi-Fi believe that this actually when already this is actually already connected, but what we actually do is that we make sure that your Wi-Fi trust us that we are actually this your device. Are you getting my point now? Take for example, you you give your brother or your junior brother to use your ATM card to buy something. Whenever you want to pay for this thing, he asks to know the password of your ATM card. So that is what we do. We make sure this your Wi-Fi trust us enough to connect to the internet by using what? Making an handshake that we are this particular device. That is actually how they logging into it. Now let me show you how we actually get the IP address of a particular Wi-Fi. All right, guys. So let's have a try of how this actually work. So I'm gonna be making use of Airbomb. I'm actually using AirPlay, and it's actually from airplay.ng, but let's just try it out without wasting much of our time. So okay, let's say sudo dot. But right now I want to get enough information, but you actually don't need it to, since you are not and sorry, I'm using one hand to hold my phone and the second hand. I just make use of a simple one. So right now you can see I haven't even seen any Wi-Fi yet, but it's going to show yeah, this is one someone Wi-Fi. This is the IP address. I don't know why my lens is doing like this. Okay, sorry. I think this light is something. I don't know why. But anyways, this is these are some people's Wi-Fi. It's actually okay. Is the way it's blurred like this. This is someone Wi-Fi. Is going. These are the people that connected to the person's Wi-Fi. We can actually make an handshake with this person Wi-Fi and then use it to get connection with the person, and then it's all gone. So I'm not gonna do more than that. But this is the first warning. Do not connect your Wi-Fi with someone you don't know. Don't just connect your Wi-Fi with just on hotspot or on internet for someone you don't know. Limit your connection with public Wi-Fi. Reduce how many times you connect with public or just anyhow connecting to any public Wi-Fi. I can actually create a public Wi-Fi right here now, and you connect to it, and I use your information. It's actually a simple, easy with just I think six command rather. I'm going to make use of it and get your personal information or create an a fake public ID Wi-Fi, and you think you see a free Wi-Fi, then you have been hacked. Another one is that make sure you use a strong password. Now let me show you something. I'm actually generating a word list here. I'm actually generating a word list here. I think um because I'm not using my main PC, I'm using a virtual machine side, so it's going to be like that. So I'm actually generating a word list there. So you have to make use of something very, very unique so that it will be hard to hack. You understand? So thank you so much for watching. Be safe there.